What's up, everyone? The Novice Angler here, out here at Alum Creek Marina. Yeah, tried it out at the dam. Spent about an hour out there and didn't catch anything. And the main thing is, at the bottom of the dam, there was a lot of people fishing. Go figure. The day after Christmas. Hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. Yeah, today is supposed to be in the mid-50s, and I figured I'll take advantage of it. So we'll just talk to you later. We're on the other side of Alum Creek. At least out here it's not as windy. Well, I guess I can give it a shot with a float and minnows. Try it out with a minnow. It's funny, this is the exact same spot where last year I was catching all sorts of fish. This year, haven't really caught any except a few bluegills. You know, folks, I think I'm going to use the worm on this one also. Yep, that's the nice thing about using the red worms. They are smaller and they're a little bit more rigid than your night crawler, so they stay on the hook better. But the question is if I can catch something. There we go. Let's try the worm out here. There we go, there we go. There we go, folks. After almost 2 hours, there it is. Yep. After almost 2 hours, there it is, folks. Tiny, about 4-inch bluegill. Folks, we spent a good maybe an hour and a half, close to 2 hours out there at the lake, and caught us only one bluegill. So I figured I'll stop by at a little pond here and see if we can do better out here than at the lake. So I'll give it a shot with our red worms again. Well, one thing I do admit about the red worms, they stay on the hook a little bit better than the night crawlers. And you do get quite a bit more than you do. You get 30 red worms versus only a dozen night crawlers. Okay, let's give it a shot. There we go, folks. There we go. Come on, pull it under. Yes, there we go, folks. Not a bad size, too. Look at this guy, folks. Probably about a good 6-inch bluegill. first 15 minutes out here at being the pond versus about a couple hours out there at the lake. Not bad. Yeah, that's the one thing I noticed also, folks. In the colder temperatures, it's actually better just using worms. I haven't had much luck using minnows or gulp minnows. Then again, maybe it's just me. There we go, folks. There we go. Third one. They're not big, but at least we're catching something. About the same size, about another 6-inch bluegill. That's the main thing about it, folks. One of the few fish that you can catch all year round. Well, folks, somehow that other pole that I have got all tangled up, so and let's put on a float here. I'll just put this guy on. Your classic styrofoam or bobber. There we go. See if we can catch this one more. There we go, folks. Little tiny bluegill. But not bad. Fourth bluegill after a week of not catching anything. Let's see. Give it a shot again. The sun is about to set. See if we can catch us one more before it gets too dark. There we go. There we go. There we go. There it is. Our fifth bluegill. Not a bad size. This one is about 5 inches. So there you go, folks. If you want to go fishing, even when it's cold, well, today is pretty nice, but one thing for sure, you still can catch bluegills. There we go. There we go, folks. There's our sixth one. Wow, this one's actually a pretty good size. This guy. Whoop. Wow. He is our biggest one. But a 7-inch bluegill. Not too shabby. There we go, folks. And one more. We still have a little bit of a worm left. There we go, folks. Our eighth one. There we go. Another 6-inch bluegill. Not too shabby. Most fish I caught in weeks. But I know there are a bunch of bluegills. Anyway, guys, I'll be heading out. If you guys like this video, please give me a like. Leave your comments down below, folks. And consider subscribing for more fishing videos. Anyways, you guys take care. I'll talk to you later. Till next time. Hey guys, Gerald here with the Novice Angler. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that last video. If you guys did, go ahead. Watch some more down below. Go and click down below. Just want to let you guys know that we do have our own little online shop. It's filled with a bunch of original, unique t-shirts, all designed by yours truly and my wife. T-shirts like this. Go ahead and check out the link down below and see what you guys think. And anyways, thank you very much. Do appreciate it. And I'll talk to you guys later. You guys take care.